Welcome back, genius. Is your mobile mind telling you that you should use your social media marketing superpowers to bring in new clients? Running a business is pretty simple when you think about it. The number one goal that you have, and really the number one thing, the primary thing that you need to be concerned with as a business owner is bringing in new business and increasing revenue. I deeply believe that your goal as a business owner is to add value to your clients and customers. Now, if you're doing that through your service or product, you're definitely going to be able to make money. And retention shouldn't be an issue. Your clients and customers, they should stay with you for a while. Now, if you're running a business or you're providing a service and you're not making money, then I have to tell you, you're not running a business. You have a very expensive hobby. Okay, mogul, if you want to know how you can draw in new clients using social media ads, subscribe and keep watching. Over the years, I've had clients in many different industries, from nonprofits to hair salons and realtors, of course. All of my clients want to figure out the science of going social. They want to be able to put those proven methods to work for their business and use that to be able to grow and thrive in their mission. I'm going to assume that since you're watching this video, that you know how to create an ad. Now, if you want a video that gives you a tutorial, please tell me down in the comments and I'm happy to put something together for you. And I bet the Google algorithm has your back and there's videos all around me giving you tutorials on how to make the ad itself. The first thing I would suggest is running a TSGS on your campaign. It's totally free, and TSGS stands for the Science of Going Social. That is my trademarked calculator for being able to calculate exactly how many people I need to get in front of before I run a campaign for myself and for my clients. And because that's where I start my campaigns, I'm going to suggest to you that you do the same. I put the link in the description box. It's totally free and it's a great place for you to be able to see clearly in black and white how many people you need to get in front of to reach your campaign goals. Next, I want to decide exactly how much I want to spend on this campaign. When you're running ads to bring in new clients, you have the option for Instagram, remember as our example, of having a lifetime budget or a daily budget. Now you can do this through Instagram, or you can do this, on your phone, or you can do this directly through Facebook, because Instagram and Facebook have linked together so that you can manage both Facebook and Instagram ads from their platform. So I like to use the lifetime budgets because usually when I'm running an ad, it's because I have a budget from a client, and I know that I'm never going to go over budget when I use the lifetime budget, and I can always add to the budget later if I think it's necessary in order to reach my goal. After that, you need to get real about who you want to work with and why. You're going to use that information in order to make your campaign audience. Consider age, gender, interest, and actual physical location where you're going to create this ad to draw in new clients, because all of that information is important when you're going to activate the ad. Then you want to consider the visuals for your ad. Now, we all know that video converts better than any other type of content. So if you have video of yourself working in your business, I would suggest that you use that inside of this ad. Wow, I almost forgot about the copy. Remember to talk to your audience. Tell them who you are, where you excel, the types of results that you've gotten for other people who have already hired you in the past, and the kind of impact that they can expect from working with you. The last thing you want to do when you're building ads to draw in clients is to tell them what you want them to do. Your call to action is so important every single time that you connect with the public, whether it's a client or it's a campaign for a client. Always remember the call to action. Now, for this particular ad, I'm going to suggest to you that you make sure to offer a follow-up and how you want to follow up with this potential new client. So tell them to fill out a form, give you a call, set up a meeting, but definitely ask them for next steps. and tell them how you want to connect with them moving forward. All right, Mini Mogul, that's how you create a social media ad in order to draw in new clients. One day I'll make a video about the most interactive lead capture ads that I've ever ran. Now, if you want to see a video like that, please put it in the comments, contact me on my social media, and let me know. I'd be happy to make that for you. Now, I hope you found this information useful, and I hope you can put that to work in your business right away. I always try and include something free for you, and this video is no different. So I included my free social media guide that you can download and put to work in your business. If you'd like to connect with me and work with me one-on-one, you can definitely do that at my website, VivianOlo.com. You can message me and you can tell me exactly what it is that you're looking for. I do have a Work with Vivian type of tab that kind of outlines the most highly requested services from me and my team. But if you have something unique, I'm more than happy to listen to it. Anyway, I hope that you go forth and flourish. Bye.